Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How's everybody doing today? Hope everybody is having a good morning. Hope everybody had if you traded Asian session, hope you had a good Asian session. London session as well. Yeah, so let's get right into the charts. Okay, so as we can see, I'm apparently a psychic, right? Because just on cue, we tapped into the 188.5 areas, right, that we were looking at yesterday. So those sells that we were anticipating, they just didn't come at the time we thought they would come, right? It sort of ranged during the New York session, and then we drove during London. Well, during Asian as well. We drove during Asian and during London, right? So yeah, those things happen. Those happen from time to time. Yeah, so let's start the analysis. So now looking at the monthly time frame. Now we've tapped into this level, right? We've tapped into this level where I was anticipating price to come down to in order to grab liquidity for the push up, right? We still haven't taken these highs. We still never took these highs, right? So now that we've tapped into this level, are we gonna start rejecting here to continue to the top side, or are we just gonna keep on dropping? That's yet to be seen, but that's still a possibility within the month, right? If we go down to the weekly, right now, the weekly is fully bearish, right? Now we're currently playing beneath this level here. If we close, what is this level actually? Let me see what this level is. So that's there. Yeah, so if we close below this level, most likely we're gonna see a little bit more bearish movement, right? Or let me not say most likely, but it's very possible, especially if we continue down and we close below here as well. All right, so what I'm gonna anticipate here, right, I'm actually gonna move my levels. I'm gonna adjust these levels. Yeah, I'm gonna adjust these levels to this. All right, I'm gonna adjust the levels like that. So most likely if what I believe if this whole move is just a liquidity grab to continue to move up like I'm anticipating, we're most likely not gonna close inside this range within the weekly. All right, between today and tomorrow, right, before this weekly candle closes, we're most likely gonna see some movement upwards to close inside this first range over here. But that's more speculation and more what I expect to see, but we'll see if that's the case as price develops, right? But currently we are bearish, right, because we had this whole candle flip. We're currently tapping into a level here on the weekly, so let's see if we can get rejection off of there. And it's also tapping into the moving averages as well, so let's see if we can get a rejection off of that to continue to move up. But we are bearish, right? And this is the level we drew up, right? This is the level we drew up. I want to see how precisely we tapped into that level. So as for the daily, the current daily still has no top wick. All right, there's still no top wick on the current daily. I I would say yes, a level there, and you have a level over there as well. You have a minor level here. Well, it's not really a minor level, but yeah, it's a considerable level. But just because this candle never closed below, I'm just gonna consider this resistance over here. All right, but once this candle closes, then I'll start considering this level as well. But yeah, no, like as we can see, right, the current candle has no top wick, so this candle could just at any point in time flip, right? We could flip on the daily, and we could just start coming up. Like we could start playing the highs. All right, most likely if we flip, we're gonna see these highs get taken out. But yeah, again, that's more what price might potentially do, and not really what price is showing us it's doing right at the moment. It's currently at the level that we had marked up. We tapped into this daily level as well, so we might see some rejection off of here as well, right? Is this a rejection to continue going up, or is this just momentary rejection, right? We might find the resistance over here and then continue moving back down, but we don't really know yet. But just based off of the candles, we are technically bearish, right? Well, the momentum is bearish, but the move is still bullish, right? Because current daily has no top wick. We never actually closed below this level, right? So until this candle closes below like this, we're still technically bullish overall, in terms of, at least in terms of direction, right? But it seems like the current like volume wise, it's bearish, right? Okay, let me see the 4 hour. Yeah, it's interesting. Things are interesting here. So let me just get rid of this level since we're already tapped into it. Okay. Trying to see what ranges I can play here. Okay, so I think this would be like the wider range. In terms of support, so we've rejected off this level before to continue moving up, right? Yeah. Same thing with this level. Okay, so I'm gonna keep these as my levels on the 4 hour. I don't think the 4 hour levels don't matter too much. Or they do matter, it's just the precision of it, right? Because I could have this up here too, right? Yeah, I'll just have this right here as overall levels. Yeah. Yeah, I'm happy with those. Yeah, so we sold off pretty nicely here. Those were the moves we anticipated yesterday, but we didn't quite get them. So now, even though I am anticipating price to come up, I am understanding we are in a bearish market right now. So range 2 on the buys, and then just normal breakout sells. Question is, where do I want those sells? Yeah, I'll put the sells right here. Let me see. Yeah, that's support held. Yeah. Yup. Give me up. Hey mama said yup. Hey mama give me up. Hey mama when the morning come. Y'all know that song? Yeah, so these will be my levels. I think these are These are decent levels. These are, let me just adjust this real quick. So we held support here, came back, tapped into the support and rejected. Okay. What? Strike him now. Somebody around there. Yeah, so these will be my levels. Yeah, these will be my levels right here. To be honest, yeah, I'd probably have this whole thing go up. I'd consider the whole range here. Oh yeah. Yeah, you just want to be careful in terms of the ranges you're considering. You don't want to be overestimating your ranges or underestimated. Yeah, so this is the general. This is my general outlook on things. The only thing I wouldn't say scared of, but yeah, because in terms of the cells, right? Okay, nah, never mind. I'm gonna have my cells down here. Yeah, I'm gonna have my cells down here. It's a fairly wide range that I'm sort of not considering, but the way price formed inside the range, if I'm to take buys or sells, or rather the levels I would consider the buys or sells that are still inside this range are not exactly they're very close to, you know. But like say we broke below here, right, and I'm taking a sell down. I mean, it's still 10 pips, still a decent amount of pips, I guess. Yeah, I don't know, maybe it's because I'm a little tired or something, but the levels don't seem, they're not as clear to me as they usually are, because we're coming down. Yeah, nah, I don't want to get caught up in any fake outs. I'm gonna hold it off. I'm gonna leave the levels as they are. I'm gonna leave the levels as they are, but I do have, I mean, I like where the buy level is. It's just the sell level. I believe we could get earlier sells. I mean, if you don't consider that one, and then you would have this right next, and then this. That's a lot of wicking, huh? Okay, say you have this is most recent, right? Say you have that. How many pips is this now? That's 12 pips. Yeah, let's see what happens. We'll leave it at this. We'll leave it at this. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's check out gold. Okay, so gold is doing what gold is supposed to be doing, right? Where it's going up. It's going up. I don't even think I need to look, right? We don't really need to look at the higher time frames because we're just bullish. As pretty much we're just bullish. There's nothing much else. My fault, chat. 1 sec. Okay, yeah. So we're just bullish on gold. Let's see. The daily didn't quite close above all-time highs, but we closed respecting all-time highs, right? So what does that mean now? Does that mean we're gonna, I mean, 4 hour, we just started closing above all-time highs, right? 4 hour closed above all-time highs twice, and we closed bullish, right? Let's see. So this is the hourly. So hourly is forming a range, or it formed a range. Let me see. What does 30 look like? Okay, so oof. In terms of sells, I think, yeah, I think these are our levels here. Yeah, back below most. Okay, 30. Cause then that's the thing right there. Yeah, I think these are my levels. These are my levels. And I put this here just to recognize we have that level there. If we come up heavy, because we don't have any levels to go off of, right here, this is no man's land, right? We don't really have any levels to, you know, to plan a trade off of over here. But if we drive up heavy here, and I'm not involved in the buys, if we drive off heavy, close above, come back down, close below this area right here, close below this level, I'll take the sales going down. All right, so we would look something sort of like this. All right, so maybe something like that, and then we'll come down, and then I'll take those sales. All right, so we would look something similar to this. All right, yeah, so I'll look for that. But I mean, I'm interested in the buys. Yeah, I think the 5 minute is gonna be your friend here. The 5 minute time frame is gonna be your friend, because I mean, even the 5 minute, because this is the extent of the 5 minute, right? So you don't have anything up here. So if you're, say we break out of this range, right? You don't know what levels you're looking to in terms of potential resistance, right? Or potential rejection areas, right? Like, I mean, back in the day, I would just play the solid numbers, right? So 2162, 2164, 2166, right? But I know that not to be as accurate as I thought. Now, yeah, let's see how let's see how price moves, man. Let's see how price moves. Oh, we have news, right? Let me see. Okay, so we have, what is this? Interest rate. Oh no, this is Euro news, my fault. Yeah, so we have jobless claims today, right? Yeah, we have jobless claims. If we get like the breakout together with volume from news, then that's better, right? Because then I can hop on that and I know, okay, we're gonna move up at least a certain amount, maybe 10 pips or something, and then I'll go break even, and then I'll just watch, you know, because we don't have anything off. We don't have, I mean, it's basically off of vibes. Like if you're managing your position, you're gonna be managing off of vibes, because, well, I'm gonna be managing off of vibes, because I'm not too sure where we might go up to. I mean, if we're gonna reference this one, I mean, we came all the way to 2149, right? Yeah, like 2149 on the dot, basically. Yeah, 2149 on the dot. All right, so if we're gonna be assuming something similar, let me see, what was the previous high before we made that high? So the previous highs were these joints right here. So 2076. All right, yeah, let's say 2076. So 2076 to 2149. 2149. So 2076 to 2149. That is 73, right? That's 73 pips or 730 pips? Yeah, 730 pips. Okay, 730 pips. Wait, no, I'm bugging. Wait, no, is that 73 or 730? 730, no? Hold up, my fault. I'm bugging. Yeah, 730 pips. So if we're gonna say, okay, if we break above here, we're gonna drive a minimum of, let's say half of that, right? So like 360 pips around there, right? I mean, hey, I mean, it's just speculation, right? It's not based off of much. It's not really based off of anything concrete. Just yeah. Let's see. I mean, let's see how I doubt, like, if we break the high before news, I don't think I'll take a buy. We might drive, like, if this hourly closes above this area within the next 7 minutes, I don't think I'll take a buy. A lot of people are probably gonna take buys though, so you should see a push up, but I really don't have an entry off of that. If this was a normal range, if this was not all-time highs, for sure, pull back, give me a bottom wick, I'm taking those buys. But right now, I don't know. The next area of rejection might be 2162, right? And we close up here, we tap there, I think we're still going up, and then we just reject, right? So I don't know. So I'm gonna wait for news. Hopefully the volume from news will act as a catalyst to just, you know, drive price up, you know, regardless, because news doesn't, when the volume from news doesn't really care about where those ranges are, right, or where those levels are. You use the levels to, you know, manage your position, but if the news is high impact enough, it'll just, you know, it'll fly through the levels. So that's what I'm sort of trying to take advantage of. Yeah, the GJ sales, man, they did me dirty still. I think our entry was somewhere here. What was it? So yesterday around, I would say 9ish. Yeah, 9, 10ish, so around here. All right, so we got involved right here, right on this pullback here, and then straight up, it is what it is. Yeah, let me see if I can, would I have gotten stopped out or no? Let me see if I recorded that. Hold up. How do I reduce the volume? Okay, so I got in at 189.996. 189.996. Yeah, so around here my stop loss. Oh yeah, I would have been safe if I left that trade open. I would have been safe. I would have been safe, right? Because that was those highs right there. 89.996. Wait, where was my stop loss? Hold up. What time frame is this? 5? Oh no. I think I would have gotten stopped off. Yeah, so around here. Let me see. So there's and the drive down. Oh yeah, nah, I would have gotten stopped out. I would have gotten stopped out. My stop loss was above here. Yeah, I would have just barely. Well, let me see the actual price. 190.418. Yeah, I would have just gotten stopped out, and then yeah, I would have been pissed too. Yeah, so yeah, it was a good manage. I managed the risk. I managed the position well because I understood if we were gonna held this support, most likely we were gonna come up to my stop loss, right? And it doesn't make sense, right? The only other thing I could have done there was extend my stop loss, which it doesn't make sense because I entered the position understanding what I risked, or my risk was based on the stop loss, right? So I had a say 40 something pip stop loss, so I risked X amount, right? I entered X amount of lots so I could risk X amount. So the only other thing I could have done there was maybe close majority of the position when I was still close to break even, right? For pretty much no loss, maybe a little bit of loss, and then extending my stop loss. But then, right, it doesn't even make sense, to be honest. Yeah, that doesn't make sense. I'm rambling a little bit, but yeah, we see gold coming up here. We might close above. We might close above. Let's see. 1 minute. Yeah, again, I don't have any entries off of the close. One sec, chat. Gotta do something here. Okay, so yeah, so that's nice. The hourly close respect. Oh well, I mean, uh, well, I mean, we technically closed above on the hour. Technically, we just barely closed above. But I am considering this overall level here. I think this is the 5-minute, right? Yeah. Well, we did technically close above here on the hourly, but still, even then, I don't have positions, right? So this is gonna be a minimum 835 trade. Minimum. If we're trades on gold, minimum 835. Anything before, most likely not. See how the hourly close on GJ. Oh yeah, yeah. GJ is dropping here. GJ is dropping here daily, but we have tapped into the level we're expecting. We tapped into a daily level as well. Current daily has no top wick, so we're gonna have to wait to see what exactly GJ wants to do. The hourly closer didn't really say much. It didn't really tell us much. Well, I mean, it told me we're not quite ready to come up, I guess. So we could see, or most likely we'll see this lows get tapped into again. But what price does after that, we'll see. If we close below here on the 30, I mean, the 30 is news as well, right? So if we're closing below and news is in our favor, then yeah, I actually don't understand why GJ moves with dollar news. I understand the dollar affects everything, right? Because that's the standard currency, right? That's a global currency, right? But or that's, yeah, like the dollar standard and all that. But yeah, remember when it was the gold standard and not the dollar standard? Joke, man. Okay, sorry. I was about to expose my business dealings live on stream. You ever had that feeling of deja vu? Yeah, we're going up here. Yeah, FOMO. If you got FOMO, just put your seatbelt on. Put your seatbelt on, do some push-ups, look away from the computer. Just look away from the computer, trust me. You don't want to be looking at this. Because let me tell you, man, them somewhere in the world right now, somebody is buying full margin. Trust me. Trust me. Somebody somewhere in the world right now is buying full margin. And hey, they might win off of that. They might win off of that. But are you here to gamble, or are you here to learn the skill? That's the question. Only you can answer. yeah. Okay, let me see where homeboy at. Yeah. Oh, my fault. Hey, yo, I forgot I was streaming. My fault, chat. Oh, yeah, look at that. I ain't even peep. I wasn't even looking. Yeah, that seems about right. How many pips was that? Yeah, man, them that bought right here, they probably bought and they left. As soon as this minute candle closed, this minute probably opened no bottom wick, they probably closed full right there. Probably closed full right there. Yeah, we're gonna start teasing these highs. I don't know. We're gonna start teasing into these ranges. Yeah, man. Yeah, it's tough. I'm gonna have to watch my stream back. I'm gonna have to watch my stream back. And hey, trust me, just how next man we're buying off of that, some other next man are selling off of this flip right here. Trust me, to see the bottom of the range probably. Yeah, let's see what happens with price here, man. Things should get interesting. I'll tell you what for sure though, we're gonna have an entry today. I'll tell you that for sure. Oh my god. I think, so we have this 15 about to close. I think we have news as well, no? Oh, this is Euro news. For my people trading Euro USD, let me do a quick breakdown for y'all, huh? So 4-hour Euro USD. Oh, I tell you, bro, I used to trade. This is proof I used to trade EU. These levels are from way back then. Way back then, bro. Crazy. Yeah, crazy how far we've come, man. But yeah, no, so the monthly, this is a monthly level. 1 second, chat. Yeah, so this is a monthly level. 1 second, 1 second. All right, my fault, chat. Okay, so we're currently inside this range right here. Breaking the highs over there. We respected support. The larger range is this. We tapped into the bottom of the range, respected. Right, that held support, started coming back up. The current weekly has no bottom wick. It could flip at any moment. Let me see, daily. Yeah, daily bullish above these levels here, I believe. All right, we tapped into that level as well. Where's the next resistance per se? I'd say over there, probably. All right, then you have your 4-hour. What's your 4-hour doing? Current 4-hour has no top wick, right? So if news flips this 4-hour to have a top wick, and then you come up here on the 5, you close above this level on the 5. Oh yeah, for sure. Sure. Yeah, you could have some fuego buys right here. I'd say that's the range you should be looking at. Yeah, I'd say this is the range you should be looking at for the buys on EU. Yeah, if news brings you up to here, if news shoots you up here, you close here, get a little bit of a bottom wick, you could drive up to here minimum and beyond, possibly. I'm not gonna look at it. We're gonna go back in 5 minutes and see if our analysis was that's just a quick one, you know, quick little analysis on EU, drive-by analysis on EU. Wait, what's going on? How did that happen? Yeah. Fair woman. Yeah, woman, fair woman. Hey, hey, okay, so where's everyone from in the chat? Nigeria, France, Spain. Yeah, early still. Okay, so 30, 15 close bearish. Yeah, this should be an active 830 here. This should be an active 830. Let me see. Where's my... Do I not have a window up right now? Okay. Whoa. We're just waiting on the close, or not the close. We're waiting on news. We're waiting on news. Oh. Wait, how does that work then? Yeah, bugging. Absolutely bugging. Yeah, I'll take. You know what, chat? In life, you just gotta take your licks, man. You really do. You just gotta take your licks. And just, you know, it is what it is. You know, you move on. Yeah. Hey. Same mindset can be applied to Forex. The same mindset has to be applied to Forex because you are going to fail, you know. But one, you can find comfort in failure though, because you have to understand that failing is part of the process. You know, I've never seen, or rather, among the reputable traders that I know that are reputable according to me, you know, that I consider, sorry, the among the traders, the professional traders that I consider to be reputable, um, not a single one of them have ever said that they just got into Forex and were winning, right? I mean, they might have won their first trade, you know, out of luck or something. Like that's usually that's usually how the story goes, right? Once they first find Forex, maybe they took a trade once and then they made like maybe they doubled the amount of money that they put in the account, right? And then they got hooked, but then they lost it all immediately, right? Like off the next trade they lost it all. But just the fact that they got a little bit of that taste of profit, you know, it got them motivated, got them addicted, it got them hooked. And then from there it went through the cycle of failing, refinement, success, right? Failing, refinement, success, until eventually you're gonna break out of that chain, you know? And I mean, breaking out of the chain doesn't mean you're never gonna lose a trade, right? Even the best traders still lose trades, but it just means you're breaking the chain of being a losing trader to a break-even trader to a successful trader, right? Or not breaking the chain, I guess you're just moving forward. Yeah, I was trying to make that sound a lot more philosophical than it was. You know, we need some content, bro. I need some content. Yeah, I'm gonna start recording. Keep forgetting to record, bro. Bomba clutch. Cause I need to drop some videos or something. I don't know. I need to drop some shorts. I'm thinking of shorts. I'm thinking of dropping some shorts. Yeah. Pause. I mean YouTube shorts. Yes, sound weird. Play my theme music. Yes, this is a calm little beat, no? When mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, man. Yeah, you can't be bothered with some things. Yeah. All right, 5 minutes. What's that sound? Oh, okay. I thought I was hearing things, but it's from the soundtrack, from the playlist. Yo, Brandon Ingram is a bucket, dog. That boy a bucket. It's a bro. Pelicans were such an exciting team before what's his face? Before Zion came back from injury. They were so excited. I mean, they're still excited now, but I thought they would be doing a lot more. Cause I feel like they have the pieces to be able to compete for a chip. I mean, they got Zion, they got Brandon Ingram. Brandon Ingram does everything, bro. He dribbles, he got handles, he shoots, he can shoot. You know, he got post work. Well, I don't really know about the post work. Let me not say he got post work, but he got a midi. You know, he got a nice shot. He got a midi. Yeah, man. And then they got like the role players, you know. They got Alvarez. They got the other dude. What is it, Murphy? Yeah, they got some ballers on their team, man. Noted. The news drop yet? I'm not even looking at my screen. I'm not gonna lie. I got something going on. Let me see. 4 or 5. Oh yeah, my fault. I'm back. Okay, so there goes news. Actually, oh, my fault, chat. We're not ending. Don't worry. Let me see. What did EU do? Oh yeah, EU ain't do nothing. Shit. All right, so news isn't having much of an effect on GJ, at least not yet. It looks like the news hasn't quite dropped, at least on my FX book. But gold is flying. Gold is flying here. Yeah. See, that's the issue, bro. You don't even know for real, right? You don't even know for real if you've tapped into a level or something, you know. Decline. Let's see. Okay, my fault, chat. My fault. I'm back. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, so not much happened off of news, surprisingly. What did jobless claims do? It's all negative news. All right, negative. Yeah, all of this is negative. Huh. Yeah, so that all high impact news was negative. But we're not, you see, that's the thing. We're not doing much. Right? You would expect gold to be flying here, but we're not doing much. And I would reckon that that's because we're at all-time highs. Because we could have just tapped into a level, right? That's gonna hold. You don't really know. Yeah, this is sketchy. Wagwan, my brother. How you doing, man? Yeah, this is sketchy, man. Yeah, I go on mute now. How far, boss? Is there? Man, yeah, gold is gold playing with me right now, man.
don't even know why you're trading gold.
Bro, like I thought like news did nothing. Like news did absolutely nothing, and all the high impact news came out bad.
No, I know that what I'm looking at sales on USD Japanese yen. The sales also start pushing. I'm waiting for volume for New York Stock Exchange opening. The sales also
Yeah,
start pushing. I'm certain of that one.
you
Because
check.
even you know when the like your analysis and the news are saying the same thing.
Yeah,
So I'm just waiting for that 330 push. I know I'm going to chop heavy because I've taken some off gold. I took some quick sales at a flip. Like I don't know if I can share my screen. Let me share it. So
I know the flip, exactly the flip you're talking about. That's when we
um,
pushed out of the range and flipped, yeah, or no?
I mean, I should just share. I'll show you now. Just wait. So
Yeah, we coming up
it
here.
was it was around here. This flip here. After I saw the rejection twice, I said, "Nah, I'm going to enter here." And I took here and I pulled out just here. I took an instant trade, like market execution, and I followed it. Although my take profit was this point, but I followed it onto here. Once I saw that, like you can see that doji, this
Yeah,
candle form, I just said, nah, I'm about to pull back up. So I left.
nice, nice one,
Just took my profit and left.
nice one,
Other than
nice one.
that, other than that, I'm still looking at USD Japanese yen. That's the chart I'm following today because I feel like it
Yeah,
still has to go down. I'm just waiting for that New York Stock Exchange. So I'm looking at the thing I've been trying to consolidate, but it's still telling me that market is still going to shoot down. Like it's been trying to consolidate, but the resistance point that was broken is about to form a support, and it's going to continue pushing down.
yeah.
Just it.
I
And
rate that. I rate the sales. I rate the sales.
also, I don't know this power testimony yesterday. This testimony messed me up yesterday afternoon. I was still inside the trade. I didn't pull out. And I was in profit the moment the Powell, like what's the name again, that federal guy, whatever his name is, the chairman.
Jerome
After he said that thing about this, after he said that thing, his name not Jerome,
is
it's White.
Jerome Powell.
Okay, after he made that statement about rate cuts for the banks, so basically it just means that the dollar, like for people, like banks will give people less of a return for their money. Basically, that's what he meant. Like the interest rates on their savings accounts, investment accounts will be
Uh,
reduced. So I was now thinking that what happens that the American economy is that people expectant of that his statements. Because I read a lot of news yesterday, so they were expected that he was going to say that. So I was thinking that they were going to be quite cautious, that they won't do anything radical. And
yeah,
that's the way the gold, where did that shit happen? And the buys still continued, though, and I was waiting for the buys. But just that statement just made a massive candle and it just hit my stop loss this point. Can you see it? This candle.
wait, may I open? Yeah. Ah, yeah, yeah,
This
yeah,
candle.
yeah.
Once this was the 3 o'clock, the instant the news hit, that candle formed. And it just went back to normal. I said, what the hell? Like, bro, why did he do that?
It did
And
happen.
I entered around here, so I pushed up all these points, and I was now thinking, no point in pulling out. We're still going. I just made a stupid statement. Just fell back
Yeah.
down.
If there's ever high impact news, if you're in profit, you should try and go break even at least.
I mean, before the news hits, I think that's my new strategy. If there's going to be high impact news and I'm already in profit, before the news hits, I'm going to pull out. Because I can't always predict the way the market will be moving, because sometimes it'll be moving in a way that I'm not understanding.
Yeah, because it all depends on how news comes out. You get, and news can come out anyhow. It can be positive, it can be negative.
Exactly. So yeah, so me, I'm not going to risk it. So that's just it.
That's
Because that thing was annoying. I was like, because it was good tips, so good movement. All of a sudden, this bell end just made his statements about reports. I was expecting. You could tell that the American people were trying to, like, he's a bell end for that. You could tell that the American market, they were trying to strengthen the dollar. Like within after he made that statement, they started panicking. Like you could just tell, like the candle, bro. That shit. There was a lot of I don't know what's going on in the offices, but I could feel the panic when this thing happened. Like, bro, where did this candle come from? Like, come on, like what?
you never tried FOMC before, but
What? No.
when you see FOMC, you go know say na FOMC. That one self, I know they touch am, especially if na speech. Even though just be reports, if na speech, oh boy. The guy go talk one thing during the speech, you go see gold they fly. You go talk another thing 5 minutes later, you go see him the tank. Guy.
American people just start panicking. Bro, the thing was annoying. But other than that, just wait for New York Stock Exchange volume.
I
Let's see
don't
what
even
they have.
think there's some panic involved, but I don't think that the majority of the movement is panic. I think it's more, to be honest, I don't know. I'm not too in tune with actual
Also, the reason I'm looking at gold buys is that long term. I was reading news yesterday saying that like analysts have predicted that gold is going to reach record highs of 2,300 before
I mean,
April ends.
we're already at record highs, right? But
Yes, but we're going to
like,
breach to 2,300, like $2,300 dollars per kg ounce. I don't know how they measure it, but I was reading the news yesterday, so
I
we should be
mean, like,
expecting more movement. I just don't know when we're going to break out of it.
the
Because
thing
this is the one
is,
that we're consolidating right now.
the worst thing that can happen, yeah, is we just push up now. Like, we just push up and we keep on going. That's the worst thing that can happen, because we have zero entries. What ideally you want to happen here is price goes up, creates a new, maybe like a level here, right? Rejects, maybe comes back into this range, maybe we see some consolidation, maybe we even break down below here, and then we break up. Once we break above, now we have targets, right? Now we have targets to these highs over here, you get. So at the very least, you can manage your trade off of these highs, but then you can hold your full TP. You could basically swing trade it and hold your full TP all the way to 2,300 or whatever he said, you get. But if we just start pushing up here and we don't form anything, like we don't form any levels on our way up, yeah, it's wraps, bro.
Just be vibing.
It's wraps.
It will just be vibing.
Just,
At that point, you just enter trades. You just
nah,
enter trade for, like do you like how do I say do way Bitcoin people trade. I was even doing some trade on Bitcoin on my what's it called again? My demo yesterday. I took some sales, made some good profits. That was yesterday night.
guy, don't no
That was just
enter, no,
that
leave that demo
was just
alone,
me
guy.
being bored. That was just me being bored.
Leave that
Yeah,
demo.
you can't trade Bitcoin on a cent account. So I can't trade it on my cent. So
Oh, okay,
it's
just
not
the
allowed.
they do.
HF don't allow it. So I wanted to see how Bitcoin
You're
was.
having some
Like how the
fun.
market. I
Some
want to test where
fun.
Bitcoin is.
Now we're your
It's annoying
country.
because I know that Bitcoin, the price will soon go up. Like, because the price fell yesterday, like it tanked to like 61K. And I was thinking that if I had money, I would just bought and just left it because I know that it will reach 67K today. Let me even check. I'm sure it has gone back to 67K.
Yeah. It's at 67 right now.
And yesterday night was
Close to.
61. I was like, bro, I would have just entered there.
Yeah, nah. I wish I didn't close my initial entry on Bitcoin, because I never came back to my entry. I should have just let it run, but It
You
is
should have
what
just left it.
yeah.
I feel like this Bitcoin, anytime you see it at a low level, it's a long-term investment. It's not short-term trading. Just enter, leave it.
The thing is that I took it as I didn't really take it as a swing trade. That's why I
Oh,
closed early, but yeah, I could have kept it running, sure. Yeah, so on me.
yeah.
15. Okay. Come on, give me something here, man. I really thought 830 would be more volatile than this.
Not in the.
Yeah, I really want gold to just, I don't know, man. So how does the hourly look? Yeah, that's the hourly. This is the 4 hour. Yeah, I'm gonna need some serious pullbacks, bro. Okay, so now you're okay. So there's potential for buys here, but you're gonna need, let me see. Okay, you want this candle to close doji. You want this candle to close doji, this 30-minute candle. You want it to close doji. That's the hourly close as well, closing like this. You want the next candle to come down and I would say tap into this level, below this level, and then you take it on the flip. And then you take that candle on the flip, because that's the hourly flip, the 4-hour flip as well. Yeah, man. Let's see, what is this?
Bro, look at this candle at 105. Look at the top wick.
At
Bro, I don't feel
105.
guys are like, yeah, what's your time? 6:05 on the 5-minute time frame.
6:05 my time.
Good, yeah, 5-minute time frame.
Yeah.
Like, look at the top wick, bro. Nigga.
What happened to the top?
I mean, let me.
I
Like,
don't think we're looking at the
5-minute
same.
candle.
Oh, you mean
No,
8:05?
no, we're not.
Oh, you mean this joint? Oh, yeah.
105 should be 6 of 7:05. 7. Are you not 6 hours behind?
It's 8:05, sir.
Okay, 8:05, like the top week, bro.
Yeah.
So you are 5 hours behind. Okay, interesting. Okay, 5, not 6.
I'm not 5 hours behind though. I'm 6, but the candle you're talking about sir, happened at 8:05.
Why is it showing 105? Is it daylight savings? Okay, it's daylight savings. It's daylight savings. I forgot.
I'm going to be 5 hours, I think, after this weekend, because we're gonna have daylight savings. Then I'll be
Over in
5
America,
hours.
but UK and everybody has a day start. They really enter daylight savings. But you guys will not enter.
Or maybe we have and I just don't know, but
I doubt.
I think it's this weekend. I reckon. Hiya. Yeah, I like the close, man. If we're able to come down, if we close like this, we're able to come down, tap into this level. I'll take buys on the flip, because that's the break of the 4-hour lows as well. Bro, this drop on GJ, bro, I literally called this joint from beginning of the week. Like on Monday, I called this drop, bro, to 188.5, and that's where we're currently. Well, we went a little bit lower, sir. Such is life.
Okay. The most majority of the move happened overnight for us, sir. Like,
Yeah,
not now with hours.
It happened majority Asian and London session. This past Asian and London session. Cause I was in there during New York. I had sales like early on during New York, but Price wasn't ready to drop then. It just consolidated.
EB10s. Yeah.
EB10s.
I mean, I was expecting it as well too, but the irritating deal is that my stop loss pulled me out earlier, just before the move started. I was like,
where do you usually have your stop loss?
Possibly at another level that possibly a previous level where there was rejection. Like when I set up my levels, I normally set my stop loss at previous levels. It just broke slightly above, then it now fell back down. I'm like, why did you do that? Like, why? What's the point of that?
Yeah, but I rate the having previous levels be your stop loss. That's good practice. That's good practice. Yo, is it about to be another dead New York session, bro?
I don't know. I haven't hit it.
Come on, bro. With all this news? Come on, dog. We can't get this testimony. Shit, now for church and they give this testimony. I'll be waiting.
Oh, Powell. Me, I don't know, man.
This guy, they come back again with the nonsense. 10 o'clock.
Till 7, right? Yeah, this is the last day. So whatever he says, we should start to see formation. You know, Friday is normally the day of reversals. So whatever he says, we will see the impact tomorrow. But there may be slight impact this evening.
Bruh, guy, this Outlook notification, the thing they give me PTSD.
When my Outlook, okay, Microsoft.
Yeah, man, the thing they give me PTSD.
Why?
Cause now when the sound I hear anytime when my supervisor they email me.
This I'm not liking this movement on my USD Japanese yen. So I'm going to leave it. If they like, may they hit stop loss. That's my new approach. If you like, hit stop loss.
Oh, are you already in the trade?
I'm already inside the trade. I've been inside for a while.
Oh, now it's okay. So, I mean, are you in profits?
The profit just flipped and now I started going negative. I pulled out, but I didn't.
See. I would say if this 4-hour candle flips bullish, I would say I'm not sure where your stop loss is, so you might already be out at stop loss. But if it flips bullish, I would say you should probably manage. But I would say your best bet in terms of your trade is most likely still going to.
The 4-hour candle is going to finish around 3. Wait, I'm thinking.
Around 3. What do you mean?
Sorry, mistake.
It's about to close in like 6 minutes, guy.
It's not going to flip bullish. No chance.
No,
I'm looking at it that
there's chance. So yeah, what is this? This is 14 pips, bro. It's 14 pips. So it's not like, I mean, it's not likely, right? It's not likely because I mean, we normally see anytime the 4-hour candle is about to close, this is normal, right? You usually see a pullback, right? But it doesn't necessarily mean it's going to flip, right? But there's still a chance, but it's not really likely, but there's a chance. I would say your best bet in terms of how this candle needs to close for your trade to most likely play out would be a closure below 147.8. If the 4-hour can close below 147.8, I think you should be good. If you survive the top wick of the new 4-hour, I think you should be good to continue the drive down.
I think ultimately it will be good.
Yeah.
It's pushing back down again, so
yeah.
I'm not really worried about that. As I said, my approach is maybe I've had 2 days to deal with the psychology of it. So I'm like, if you like, hit stop loss. I don't care. If it's an L, it's an L. If it's a dub, it's a dub.
Exactly. As long as you're happy with the trade you took, the outcome that's just a byproduct.
I feel it made sense. So I'm not
Yeah.
going to. The market can do whatever. Market is like a woman. Can't really explain it.
Hey, yo, hey. The stream, the Rukomer's ideals do not reflect the ideals of the stream or the streamer.
No, mistake. But I have a point. A lot of times you can't really explain it. You just have to accept both of them.
That's
Market and babes. You can't really explain it. You just have to accept it and continue the grind. I don't think I said anything ridiculous.
no, just in case, what was ridiculous back in the day, or what's ridiculous now was common practice back in the day. So you don't know, 5 years from now, this one jail time. So I just want to clear my own basis in case you they serve 9 to life.
Oh, I didn't even look at gold. We've passed the daily high, and now we're going back to that region.
Yeah, man. This
Actually,
hourly,
this
close is
breaks,
going
I'll
to
be
be
surprised.
key. This closure is going to be key.
If it breaks, I'll be surprised. If it breaks, I'll be surprised.
I hope I am
looking
surprised.
At the 5 minutes on gold. No, I'm saying if it breaks and starts going below, I'll be surprised. I don't know
below? Oh.
Yes.
Yeah.
I don't think it should break this 2120 what's it called? 2158.78. I don't think it should break this range.
I would really love for it to break it that low, man.
If it breaks to that low, then I'll say I have an entry, but I'm not saying it yet.
Not break, like close below. I don't want it to close below. I want it to close as it is, but I want the next candle to come down all the way to 2153. If we can get the next candle down to 2153 and we flip on the same candle, on the hourly candle, oh yeah, we should see some buys. We should see some buys. But let me not get too excited. 15:30. Yeah, so 2 minutes for the closer. It's gonna be an hourly close, 4-hour close as well. GJ doesn't look like it's gonna give us nada. Hiya.
I'm not looking at GJ. I'm not expecting anything from there. I think I've collected all the profit I can get. In fact, let me even look at it. Because I took a trade. I didn't really like it. But well. Yeah, it was in profit, but I didn't like the way it moved.
Yeah.
Thank goodness. Thank goodness I pulled out. I forgot. Thank goodness I pulled out. I just knew.
Yes.
I collected my profit sharps.
I have also said that statement before.
I forgot.
But it wasn't Forex.
Oh my days.
Yeah.
Na FIFA, ba?
Yeah.
I'm not saying na FIFA. You suck.
Yeah, she did.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah. The work is fine.
Psychopath.
Alright, 30 seconds for the close. Oh man, let's see if we can close. We can close well. This has been a slow week, I'm not gonna lie. Yesterday
I thought I was the only one that has been feeling like I've not seen anything substantial this week.
Yeah, like yesterday we got like 3 trades, but still deal. And we have a closer. Okay, that's a good closer on gold. I like the close. We close respecting that support. Now, can we come down?
That's actually so good. You actually close respecting that point.
Can we come down and tap 2153? That's the question now.
Let me see. 2153 is which point? We're looking at the same point. That my yellow line.
Yeah.
Okay. That's where you wanted to hit before you buy, ba?
Yeah.
I'm certain there'll be a flip around there, but I don't know if it's going to reach there.
The faster we do it, the better. The faster this candle is gonna tap into that level and flip, the better the buy entries are gonna be. Okay, we're dropping quick here, but are we actually gonna go all the way down there? That's the question. Because we could flip right now and drive, because at this point we've taken out the previous hourly lows, but I'm really looking to take out the 4-hour low. If this was a normal trade, if we were not at all-time highs, I would buy on the flip of this candle, because we've taken out previous hourly lows. But I mean, there's no range here, there's no level here, so I can really only go off of breaking this 4-hour low, which also coincides with the 30-minute range, right? So because this is the bottom of the 30-minute range. If you're gonna tap into here, it's only for this is just to grab some money to go up, right? So you're gonna tap into this level and then flip on the hourly, I don't really see why you shouldn't come up. And now you have this wick, to fill to the left, and that's 50 pips, right? So yeah, let's see, man. Yeah, we're coming down here, we're coming down. Can we, let me quickly look at GJ. What did GJ do? Yeah, GJ closed ass. I don't really have anything on GJ, man. We're probably gonna keep dropping down. Well, to be honest, I don't know. We might range, but it's still looking bearish on GJ. But I think gold is our best bet for entries right now. Yeah, let me prepare in case. Yeah, and I mean, yeah, I would, because on my broker I don't really have a top wick, right? So man, how many pips is this? A possibility here, right? A possibility here is you take your buys down here, like you literally buy as soon as you tap into 2155, you take your buy, right? But you only risk half, right? You enter with half risk, and your stop loss is probably gonna be really steep. Yeah, you're gonna have your stop loss probably below this low right here. So 2155 is where, so there, and then yeah, I'm trying to draw up the potential plays, man. Yeah, that's decent, bro. Yeah, I think at the very least this is going to be a learning experience, because I don't have too much experience trading all-time highs. Let me see. I don't know, like my okay, so did we tap into 2155? 5 or no? Okay. So I don't even have sells or buy stops, right? Not in yet. The only reason I'm against taking the pineapples or the early buys is because if if this is a level, because this is no man's land, right? So this could very well be a level that we tapped into, right? So if this is a level and price came all the way back down off of that level, and this candle on my broker, it doesn't really have a top wick. If this candle actually doesn't have a top wick, and this bearish volume just carried over into the new candle, we could just keep on falling here, right? There's no, we don't really need to make a top wick. We could just keep on falling, right? So that's the only reason I'm not really, that's the only reason I'm not looking to take the early buys. But they could play out, no doubt. They could play out. So we tapped into this 2155 area, right? Or around there, right? And as expected, we're seeing rejection. All right, previous 5 minute. So we took the lows there. Previous 5 minute. So ooh, okay, 15 5. Okay, so that's 15 30. Okay, there you go. Okay, so if we were not at all-time highs, I would probably buy right here. If we were not at all-time highs, and if this didn't tap into a level, if let's say we had a level up here, right? We knew this was a level right here, 2168, right? And we basically came up into this new range, but we didn't really tap into a level, right? I would have taken a buy right there at this 2155 and anticipating the flip. So I'll take a buy over there, and then I would go break even on the flip of the hourly candle. But as we stand, this could just be a level, right? This could just be a level that wants to hold, and we're rejecting off that level, and we might continue pushing down lower, right? Yeah, right here I would have probably gone break even, because we're coming to the top of these highs, right? We're coming to the this rejection area over here, so I would have probably gone break even right here. So that would have been 20 pips. Still wary of entering the buy stops though, because man, I really wanted this 4-hour lows to break, man. Alright, you know what? Bad speech.
Nigga, we don't know what.
Even myself, I don't know what. That's why I'm asking the question. Okay, go back. Good. I think as long as we keep closing bearish, we should still see this 2153 get tapped. Bombaclat.
That's the fuck.
You don't watch that new Bob Marley? Bob Marley.
I feel like letting go. No. Why would you just come right? You can finally feel the way.
Hey, no free promo.
Don't be scared to be free to let go. I feel like letting go.
Sean Kingston was the guy that year, man. Too bad he started doing crack. Okay.
Is that what happened?
Not at all.
I know, I'm just like, what's this brother saying?
My guy, they leave him up. The guys they perform shows for Shena Jamaica, bro.
Of course, man. So he's a Jamaican icon.
When you have those many bangers, come on, bro. I see your face. Drop, touch my heart, disappear. Okay. Oh boy, that year.
What name of that song again? She will run.
Which one? No, that one no be Sean Kingston.
Nah, you call him out. No, it is.
That one no be Sean Kingston, no guy. Beat it. I be waiting. That one no be Sean Kingston, no guy.
It is now.
It's not, guy. You are confused. You are confused.
Play it. Chill, I mean, you're doing cheap man.
What's in this guy they talk?
It is. Google it.
Nah, what was the name? Is it Beat It? Oh, nah, oh, okay, no. Now because now Chris Brown part you they sing now. Why not too?
What's his song?
Yeah, nah, song. You're way too beautiful, girl. That's why you never walk. You are me, so God, yeah, man. I remember I get one babe where I invite the babe come birthday party, she no show. I jammed that song. I jammed that song tire.
That's some Wiz Khalifa is even in the song.
Yeah. It was back in 99, used to drink all the time. Oh, when and it also said all these 2000 Peking, they're not gonna know the beauty of Sean Kingston, man. They'll never know the joy, the true joy. Guy, I swear we've reached peak life, like in terms of the universe. Not our own life, but just in terms of the universe. I think we've
I don't think shit will get better.
Yeah, man, I think we've passed peak. Cause that 2014, 2013 time self was still that year when bangers after bangers were dropping. When Fatty Wap was still doing something.
Oh my nigga. That guy, that brother.
1738. That year
it was below.
I did Maryland. They love that nigga for this year. That year, sir.
I had some. I remember that song that I made with that guy called IOG. That was one of my favorite songs of all time.
Who, Fatty Wap?
Yeah, Fatty Wap, IOG, Your Number. Oh, that song is so nice.
Yeah, number. That year too, nah. Chief Keef the rain that year too.
That was like 2015, I think.
I still remember
8 years ago.
I still remember where I did when this guy dropped I Don't Like. Everybody they jammed that thing, guy, for like the whole thing.
Nigga, there's a shit I don't like.
Gang. Guy.
What? My favorite song with that guy is still Sosa.
Huh?
My favorite song with that guy is still Love Sosa.
It loves Sosa. Oh, you don't know, yeah. Oh, you know, boy. When niggas there, they rap, say, yeah, love Sosa. I don't know, say now, they call him prick.
They didn't know now. It's not their fault.
That was the right.
It's their fault.
Their fault now. Why no go do the, what was that thing called? The lemonade on the lyrics.
If you listen to the song well, you understand what it's talking about. So you don't even have to go that deep.
That's it.
You instantly see what he's talking about.
I know everybody's as perverted as you.
Wow.
Yeah. I turned the tables on you. You thought I was on your side? No. I turned them on you. Bastard.
Brilliant. Jesus Christ.
I mean, I like where we tapped. Bruh. I want the trade to be perfect so that I have no qualms whether it loses or not. Like, I just want it to be perfect. I really want to break these lows, man. Like, I like that we've made this deep of a pullback. And all things being considered, normally I would have already been in buys, man. But I really want to see, now that with this 15 has closed bearish. Oh, okay. I'll tell you what. We have two opportunities for entries here. One is more preferable than the other, but I'll take either or. Sure. So. We could flip now, come down, tap this level, and then flip up, right? All in this same 30-minute, all before this 30-minute closes. And I'll be in on the flip of the 30. Right, to continue to move up. Option number two, this candle never forms a bottom wick. We continue pushing up and we flip on the 30. I'm not gonna be in on the flip, but I'm gonna wait for the closure. The 30 flips, closes bullish but doesn't drive the new candle. I'll be in as soon as that new candle forms a bottom wick. And the bottom wick just needs to be like, it doesn't really need to be anything special. We just need a little bit of a bottom wick. So basically this whole candle flips up, closes bullish around here, a little bit of a bottom wick, and then we out of there. And then we pushing up. I would prefer the first option, of course, because then second option, we need to wait for the 30-minute to close. And I mean, if it forms like that, we might just drive up, right? We might just drive up and we don't have any entries anymore. We just watch price. So I mean, you also have the third option of you sort of respect this level and then you just keep on ranging. I'm okay with that too, I guess. Okay, no, I'm not. I need some entries, man. I don't need entries, but I would like some entries. Oh boy. Yeah, GJ doing nothing for me, bro. GJ, can you do something for me? रुको मैं. This guy no dey yo. Yeah, na madman. He go comot, he no go yarn anybody say he comot. Come like say I dey yarn myself. I dey yarn myself normally, but yeah, na nonsense guy be sha. Yeah, make pull. How do I even make a pull against it? I don't forget. Timestamps. Nah, that's not it. Start a pull, yo. Guy, you dey comot this place, you know they yam me. I can't lie, say I dey yam myself for 10 minutes.
Sorry. Yes.
I go sub you, I dey make poll.
No verse, I mean.
I don't verse already.
Sorry. I apologize. Apologies. So what's Gold saying? What are we doing?
Yo, yeah. Go answer. You there on the stream?
I'm on the street.
Open up. Go answer the poll.
How many influence does it take to cut here? One side.
You are not right. That's the wrong answer. That's the incorrect answer.
Oh, 100%. Only one is needed.
That's very incorrect. During the weekend, I didn't get that many trades, but during the weekend, I go try and make some shots for the YouTube algo. I suppose the timestamp when I take the trade for the stream, sure. Because for people who just not watch the live, which is majority of people. Cheske. Amaro. You sabi play chess for Discord. Mad.
You play chess on Discord?
Mad.
What's you make? I'm playing chess.
What?
Sorry, chess.
I don't even know what you talk.
I know it's called chess in the park.
I know you had.
Have you started a game?
Nah. Just the look. I was just looking at this.
Enter. I mean, started a game. He said, I'm going to be a Planet Wampus. I have no idea what that is.
What is
in
that?
Central Park. Sky Eye. I shall create it. I'm a Wampus. Join game.
What's this in the top?
Yeah.
You get? I don't understand.
Negrito. Join the game.
Oh.
Okay, I'm a Wampus. So, what do I do now?
I'm
first.
Yo, what? Collect. I used to be good at chess, so.
Same. That was like 2013.
I swear that one back in the day things.
I stopped playing such games. I'm not getting there.
And I need. But you see they play Pokemon. Nonsense guy. Wait to us. I almost do something that don't make sense. I forgot what was the strategy itself. Was it advance your pieces? I'll be waiting a little. I don't forget, man. I used to be decent at chess. I used to be I used to be I. Come on. Hey. 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 I got a baddie. She think that I'm Spider-Man. So I call her. It's a 30-minute close in about 4 minutes. Wait till y'all go.
Please.
What's in those happen?
Take a piece.
I take them.
Are you paying attention?
Malians. Oh, that's a bishop. Oh, I thought that was a pawn. I was like, bro, how did that guy just fly like that? Madu.
Yeah, brother.
On my life, no balance, Why
do you put these two of them in a checkmate? Now that those pieces are useless.
Yeah, no, for you.
What do they talk?
We play this.
Can I castle with my king?
Yeah, we do these things off of vibes and inshallah. Pure vibes and inshallah. Okay, so gold looks like it's gonna settle back into the range here. So yeah, we're gonna wait for the hourly close probably.
We're waiting for volume.
Yeah, let's
Stock
see.
exchange.
Let's see what that 10 o'clock does, or 9:30 rather. Let's see what that 9:30 does.
What am I going to move? What am I going to move?
Guy, run this thing. They think about something too much. Nice one. Correct guy. I'll show you the move that had me feared in 10 different countries.
Like I said, the move that had me feared in 10 different countries. Okay. I'll put up.
You fell into my trap card. Malians. I don't know it's in the happen again. Okay. Come, why does it look like I don't have any pieces on this board? Okay, wait. No. This is all part of my plan. You're not gonna understand. This is advanced gaming. You're not gonna understand now.
Why'd you move your king?
That's my queen, man.
Okay.
Yeah, bro. You won't get it. It's advanced tactics.
You
Yo,
retreat after taking your brother.
I'll show you something. You're gonna wait in this up.
Have you moved a piece?
Yeah. So 30-minute close.
See
Okay.
what you moved.
So now we're getting some volume in here from NYSE Open. I tell you what, if we can tap 2153 now and close on the 15-minute above 2159, then I'll look for the buys. But you have to be careful, right? Because we have news at 10. So that's gonna be in 15 minutes. If you decide to buy. I'll show you something for you. Okay, no, wait. I wanted to do something just now. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. You're already in my trap and you don't even know it. Okay, so we just tapped into 2153. We just tapped that area. Let's see how price behaves now. Let's see how price, if this happened. Okay, see volume. Yeah, so we've tapped into where we wanted to tap into. Let's see what happens now. Are we gonna keep on dropping or are we gonna flip? Yeah, prices, there's a little bit of volume in here. CJ doing nothing really, but we've taken out the highs. We might flip on GJ for the sells. Okay, let's see.
Sure.
Look at the 5 here. What's going on? Wait. What just happened? Something happened.
I played. It's your turn.
Why does it look like something happened?
Something did happen.
Wait though. Who am I missing? Okay. Doesn't matter though. Oh yeah, I know. You are in my web. You are in my web. I have spun a web of mastery.
It's your turn, brother.
Huh? Okay.
It's your turn.
Yeah. As expected. You know, I knew you were going to do that.
I think all I did was retreat.
Exactly. I knew that was gonna happen.
I don't think you've seen the last of it. Cooking.
Yes.
I am
What
cooking.
is that? What is that piece right there? I don't even know what that is. What is that? What is this?
What?
What is this thing?
Listen,
Look
I can't
like...
see you. I can't see your mouse, brother.
No. It looked like what would I... Okay, that's your knight. Oh. Okay. That's your knight, huh?
Oh, the thing with the horse with breast. The seahorse with breast.
That's a seahorse? That's crazy.
Very well, you see it. Seahorse.
That's crazy. My plan no work again. Okay, I have a new plan. Yes. Yes, I have a new plan. Ah, 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 ah. Okay. Well, this is obviously the Siberian. I know this move. I know what you are trying to do. This is the Siberian footstep.
Yep, it is.
Yeah. Oh, this one. Okay. So if okay, I know what must be done. Yes, I know what must be done. Okay, I lied. I don't know what must be done. Okay. So how I go contract and for that side? Okay, so if this one go down there, um wait, but then how this one go come? Okay. So that's night for night. Okay. Pure vibes and inshallah. Okay, so we're moving up on DJ. We're moving up. Okay. I should say I should share this screen, sir, Fabi. Probably. Yeah, I don't even know why I stream right now. If I don't end the stream, just yeah. Ah, the album. Okay. A ver. Man, that nigga just carry a ver. Yeah, I don't know, nigga. Shit, nigga. Wait, no, redo. Undo. Guy, wallah, I don't, you know, Madu. What a nice guy.
Nigga, I was not paying attention. Jesus.
So me seven shock me.
That was dumb, man.
Hey, Jesus Christ.
What are the two of us doing? Let's be honest.
Now vibes.
Rubbish, man.
With their own vibes, guy. This is known as Vibes Cartel. Yeah, 15-minute close. We're seeing some volume here, man. Yeah, so we're waiting here. We're waiting. I have 1 minute for the closer. What's this? What's going on? Why is homie red? What's going on with this guy?
Smart.
Yeah, aren't you glad you waited for the pullback? Ain't y'all glad you waited for the pullback?
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about gold, bruh.
Nigga, wow.
I'm talking
about to hit the daily open.
Yeah, that's the
I'm
daily.
expecting good. I'm expecting good buys at daily open.
Yeah, let's see if this 30-minute can flip. Well, no, 15 is about to close. So yeah, we're definitely waiting for news. News will tell us what going. I'd have taken gbpjpy here, but we never closed bullish on the hourly, so I'm gonna wait for the hourly close as well, because this could just be a top wick. Planner mode. FXE5. E5.
I've not even played my move. Okay, what am I doing? I might just leave this banner here. You can attack it. Brother. Certain position.
Dun, 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 dun. Hey. Dun, 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 dun. One second. All right, I'm back. What's going on? Who is threatening me? How am I being threatened? I don't see it. Oh, I see it. Who is this bastard? You bloody bastard, bitch. Jesus Christ. Yeah. Why not? Oh boy. Everybody don't squad up. Oh. Yes. This guy nonsense, but this guy, I don't vex, guy. I don't vex.
Oh shit.
Yeah, Chris. They take advantage of the newly woken up. I'm not awake yet. Bastard bitch. Don't worry. When I go watch some YouTube videos, I will come back. We go revisit this matter. We go revisit the matter. I go watch some of these guy videos for Instagram. slyfox.rare.
Bro, pound is flipping.
Yeah, man.
It pains my soul that I could have been in those buys.
Yeah. Oh, you had entries? I don't really.
I didn't take it.
I I didn't really I don't have entries yet until this candle closes.
Had entries. I set an alert when it hit a certain price. Price was just hit.
Gotcha.
Trading view. But I didn't take any trade. I just did analysis this morning. I'm not sure if I'm right.
You could have gambled the rejection off of 188.2 actually. 188.2. All right, let's see. We just need this 10. It's not 10 minutes. This hourly to close. Let news hit. And let's see what happens. News is going to be dangerous, sure, because it's a speech. Gbpjpy. Okay, it's not a speech. What is there a difference between speech and testimony? I don't understand. No, like, is there a difference between a speech and a testimony? Is testimony just a statement?
A testimony is like a speech is like, and a testimony is like you telling your truth.
No, like in the context of the news, is that what it means?
Maybe. Hopefully. I have no idea, bro. I'm just a scrub.
Hey,
Oh, the buyers for gold came in. Shit. I never even there inside.
for gold?
Check the 5 minute.
Yeah, I wouldn't take buys right now, to be honest. Yeah,
Okay.
nah. Because 15 closed below that level. Like, we closed well below 2150. I get 30 is rejecting, but you want this candle to close because you have only a few minutes before the hour close. And then once the hour closes, you have news. So, yeah. I mean, if you want to be in there. Wow.
Powell is talking.
Hmm?
I said Powell is talking. He's talking.
In the Yamba.
No, he will talk now.
Yeah. You better start chatting.
The impact of what he said is about to start happening.
Walla, walla, walla. Allow yourself to slip down that road and you surrender to your primal instincts. You know who said that? It's Uncle R. That's Iroh. That's the wisest man I know. Old Iroh. Yeah, his name is Uncle Iroh. Yeah, he's the smartest man that I know. Kick back with a shit like that. Old time man walk this life. Yeah, they walk on a tightrope. Or more high key, I get Basel. Like, if I was vex, nah, if it drop album. It was unannounced. But I said, let me calm down. Let me just cool it, you know? Let me just cool my temper. Yeah, we're still pushing up on GJ, man. No entries for me just yet. But we are pushing up, though. Yeah, I don't feel too good, man. Let's I feel like ass right now, dog. Let's get this banger on stream. This absolute banger. All right, let's see how that closes. I actually want to see if GJ has a bottom wick on my broker. Does it have a bottom wick? Yeah, it does. Okay. Interesting. Interessant. Gold coming up here. Gold coming up here. Can we continue with gold with the news?
Something. GJ is flying.
To infinity and beyond. But I don't have an entry, so I'ma stay out of it. Such is life. And we tap these lows, we reject it, pushed up. Yeah, man, I don't know. Because daily still doesn't have a top wick, right? So we could reject. Because I'm still expecting, GJ to come to make its way up here, right? We're looking at these 188.5 areas from the beginning of the week, right? And I'm understanding that if we're gonna continue to drive up for the monthly, most likely the week is gonna close somewhere inside this range right here, right? So the buys still make sense. I just need an entry. If we can get this 30 closing inside this range, let me see, man. It's iffy though. Yeah, let's see what happens though. I am impartial to the buys. I am willing to take buys. But we have news at 10. Man, when you want news, you don't get news. When you don't want news, you get news. It's crazy.
Yeah.
If I ever said I'm never scared, I mean it.
Gold has literally spent the whole of today consolidating, basically.
What'd you say?
I said gold has literally spent the
Yeah, man. It's just like gold took people out on the highs, took people out on the lows. So everybody losing today. Somebody lost their accounts today, most likely, and will still lose their account, most likely, because we still have news. I think the first account I ever blew was off of news. Like the first live account I ever blew, I believe it was off of news. FOMC.
How much is it?
What?
How much is it?
I mean, this was in Nige, so it no go pass 30k. back when 30K wasn't the price of bread. Okay, so hourly closed. Okay, so hourly closed. We're technically below this hourly level, right? But in terms of the overall level, we're still respecting. Like on the 30-minute, we're still respecting. So I would say we closed inside the range. Okay, so we close back into the range. So this is more of a fake out to the downside, to the sell side. Okay, let me see. 30. Yeah, I can't really justify that. But if you're looking at this just on the hourly, right? This is starting to look like it's setting up some sells, because we closed above the range. Right, we grabbed all that liquidity, came back down, closed below the range on the hourly, right? But on the 30-minute, right, once you zoom in, you're still technically respecting that overall level. Yeah, no, I think you're still respecting here. I'd say you're still respecting. Okay, so Fed is giving his testimony. It's giving his testimony now. You should see some movement here. Yeah, I don't think the testimony is a speech, man.
We need better data, just we need more of it to have more confidence. So we still are in the camp that they ease 2 to 3 times this year. And I think beyond that, so much will depend on what the election outcome is and where we are kind of growth-wise.
What did she say?
Waiting for the jobs report. Non-farm payrolls expected to show the economy added 200,000 positions. That's out at 8:30 tomorrow morning. Ahead of that, we got this morning the weekly jobless claims holding at historic lows.
Yeah, I don't think the news is gonna do much.
That is up just about 0.7%. 5139 on the index. The Dow Jones Industrial Average up 169.
What's the dollar index say?
That's up 153 points right now. That's a rise of 0.9%. 2-year yield 1 basis point lower at 4.53. The 10 unchanged at 4.10. And we check the markets for you all day long right here on Bloomberg Radio. I'm John Tucker, and that is your Bloomberg Business Flash. Alex and Paul.
All right, John Tucker, thank you so much. We appreciate that. Alex Steele, Paul Sweeney live here in our Bloomberg Interactive Broker studio. We're streaming live on YouTube as well, so just search Bloomberg Podcast, and that's where you'll find us. You can also do it on the whole Bloomberg app thing in your smart card, right in your dashboard. Tom Keen's all fired up about that. Alex, another day of gains here in the stock market this morning.
Yeah, but I think it...
Yeah, I don't think... I mean, if the news is not reporting on it, I don't know how much weight we can put into that testimony. So let me see. So the hourly closed Oife. Such a shit close on the hourly, man. Okay, so you could see GJ continue driving up to fill this range, to fill the rest of the range. Entries wise, I don't really have an entry, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I have no entries on GJ, man. I see the movement, and I rate coming. Like, why would we come all this way not to tap into this level? But it doesn't make sense. 1 second. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I do think we're gonna see the top of this range get tapped, but I don't really have an entry because of the way we close, right, on the hourly. Yeah, it's a continuation of the 4-hour. Bruh, yeah, man, I really don't have an entry. Because once we get to the top of this once we tap into this level, we might start to range. We might start to range, and I'm not really trying to be here any much longer. Let me see. Yeah, I don't want to force a trade, man. I don't want to force a trade. I'll tell you what, let's see how this 15-minute closes. If we don't have anything off the 15-minute close, we'll just end stream right there, man. Yeah. There was movement in the markets today, but there was no entry. Or maybe my levels were off, bro. Maybe my levels were off. Cause okay, I understand this is the 30, right? If you're looking at the 30, then yeah, you broke this level. But overall, if we're talking overall levels, this is more of a, I feel like this level is more indicative of the hourly support. Yeah, so I really needed a close above there, because I mean, if you look how many times we've driven off this level. 1, 2, right? This held at resistance 3, right? 4, right? We've driven off this level so many times, right? So we either need a closer above than a test of the level, right? Yeah, we need, man, it bit me sometimes just watching price move, man, but it is what it is. Yeah, man, I need a tap into this level. Hopefully we can save some space here. If this 15 closes bullish like this, if we save some space to come up, 15 close bullish. Okay, so wait, hold up. Let me see. How did this one form? Tapped in, came back up. Okay, best case scenario here. This 15 closes bullish like this. New 15 opens, no bottom wick. I'm gonna, yeah, but that's if we don't tap into this area, which we most likely will. Yeah, if the new 15 opens, no top wick, comes down, makes a bottom wick, I'll buy from this level, and I'll look to the top of the range. It's a little bit of a disappointment, I ain't gonna lie. Okay, so 5 minute, so gold 5 minute held the level. Let me see. So what does this look like? So 4 hours continuing to come up. Looks like we may flip on the 4 hour. Hourly closed, respecting the overall level, but I mean, there's a case to be made for this as well. 30, okay, 30 minute close, respecting 15. Okay, 15 and then 5. For 5, we respected it once, drove up. Looks like we're forming. Looks like we're forming structure here. Yeah, let's see how this 15 closes, guys. We might have entries on the 15. Brooks, you see there?
See the
Mad.
really falling again.
Dedicated to the cause. Yeah, I think this is the last day of the week. I'm gonna stay till 10. Well, this is the last day I'm gonna stay till 10. Cause
Yeah, about to leave. I'm going to one trade that's going in. I'm going to let it stop loss.
what you talk?
Stick to my guns. I said there's one trade that's going in the red. I'm going to let it hit the stop loss. I have to stick to my guns.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But as price is developing, if you ever reach a point where the trade doesn't make sense to you again, even if you're in loss, I would say it's still better to close it off early. Well, that's if the trade doesn't make sense again, right? Because whatever your initial entry was based off of, say price now is currently forming in a way that sort of invalidates that initial entry, I would just close earlier, because there's no reason why hit your full stop loss when you could, you know, mitigate some risk. What?
I said, fair enough.
Yeah. But as long as the initial trade idea still makes sense, then yeah, let that John breathe, man. Damn, bruh. Yeah, I really wanted to get into some GJ buys, man, but we're not gonna get an entry. I'm tight. So
GJ is losing steam, so wouldn't enter.
Yeah, to be honest, I wanted to lose steam, or I wanted it to have lost steam a lot earlier before we tapped into this level. Because right now I don't see why we wouldn't tap into 189.36.
You have a level there. One is 3.8, but still think we'll reach that level before anything happens.
Yeah, like I could have bought like up to that point, but with the way the hourly close respecting the level, I didn't have an entry, man. Oy, fade, dog. This is
Let me just
okay, well, gold might give us something here on the 15. Let's see.
still consolidating. If you go to the 5-minute candle, I'm seeing a lot of dojis.
Yeah.
Market is consolidating. An entry here. At least I took the small dub I could take from gold.
I would say if this 15, so this 15 is about to close. If this 15 can come down no top wick and break the previous 15 low, I'll take those buys, to be honest, because I'll take those buys to the top of the range.
So you're saying this current 15, if it closes bearish?
Yeah, if it closes bullish with a top wick, then if the next 15 candle comes down and taps the lows of the previous 15, like comes down with no top wick, taps the lows of the previous 15, I'll take those buys. Because now the 4 hour is flipping, or it looks like we have momentum to flip on the 4 hour. the overall range on the hourly was respected after tapping into a lower level. 30-minute, the range was also respected, or the support was also respected, right? So now what does price want to? Okay, so 15 closed. I don't have any buys yet. Let me see if we can break those lows. If we can break those lows, let me see, how much is this? How much is the flip? That's 12 pips, right? Okay. Yeah, so that would be a full-on 30 flip. Yeah, so I think one of two things is gonna happen, or one of three things rather. Well, that's a lie. A lot of things can happen. It's just, if price comes down here and breaks these lows, that's a 30 flip, right? Like I said, the hourly technically closed below the hourly support, right? So if that's the 30 flipping and the hourly flipping, and this is the support that we're taking into consideration, that flip should take us down, right? We should see this wick, this previous candle wick, get filled. But if we go down there and then we flip up and continue to drive up, well, the 15 already flipped, so what I'm saying doesn't even matter anymore. Yeah, now it's capped. Now it's all fucked. It's all fucked. Yeah. Now you need to wait for a closure above this range. Yep. Okay, yeah, that's it for me. Oh wait, what's GJ doing? So GJ is, yeah. That's man. So 15:30. Okay, you know what? I stay. How long have I been streaming? It doesn't even make sense. 3 hours. That's crazy. Okay, 11, 12, 1, 2, 15. Yeah, so I'll tell you what. I'll wait for the 30-minute close and no more. 30-minute close and no more, because I know if I hop, I want it to be, if I hop off stream, I don't trade anymore, because I know if I hop off and I continue looking at the markets, I will convince myself to take something. So let me just stay on stream. And yeah, let me just stay on stream, so I know by 10:30 if there's nothing, whatever. If gold wants to fly, let it fly. If it wants to melt, let it melt. But yeah, man, I don't want to look at this chart, man. Look at this chart. We saved, bruh, the way I saved this account, if I lose the account off of nonsense, I'll be so pissed. I'll be so pissed, man. Plus we got time here, man. We got time. Bruh. We got time. We got to basically the end of the month, right? So we don't really need to rush anything. Passing this challenge isn't gonna change my life financially, you know. So we got time. The whole point of the challenge is just it's more to prove that, you know, that everything is solid, you know. Because at the moment I consider myself a break-even trader. If I can pass the challenge, you know, not off of luck. If I can pass the challenge, then I think I would I'd give myself a little star, you know, a little promotion. Still break-even trader, but I'll give myself a little promotion. It'll help with my confidence. Plus, it wouldn't be bad to have a larger account size, however larger that may be. I am the stone that the builder refused. I am the visual, the inspiration that make the lazy in the news. I am the star to make your idea bright. so that you can know your left from your right. रुको मैं रुक्स see this guy xauusd. Okay, wait, no. Relative free. Okay, so yeah, this formed so ugly, bro. The formation was so ugly. Okay, so now you're seeing this flip, right? You're seeing the flip, and the first thing we did was take out the high. Are we gonna continue driving down here? Because I mean, look at this. If you're looking at this, if you're considering this to be a level on the hourly, this flip should take you down. This flip should take you down to fill this wick, if you're considering this to be your level, right? But I'm not quite. I'm looking more at the overall level, which is over here, right? So okay, so now we've broken the lows. Not really. We barely broke the lows of the previous 15, but I still like I like the movement, right? We tapped into that level. Now let me see. Okay, that's what the 5 is saying. Let me see if this 5 can close bullish. If this 5 can close bullish, yeah, 15, 30, right? So that would be no. Yeah, now scrap that. I want the 30 to close. I want the 30 to close. Yeah. Or well, one of two things can happen for me to take the buys, right? If this 5 closes bullish, right? 5 closes bullish, we come back down, we test the bottom of the low. I'll take the buys on the flip of the 5, right? That's the I think that's the only way I'll take an entry off the 5. That's the only way I take the entry off the 5. But let's see, 2 minutes here. Let's see what happens. I think we're gonna see one last push on gold right now before the end of the okay, yeah, let me not even say that. It's I think if we break above or below, we're gonna see one last push on gold. Yeah, that's more indicative. Beg your 5 bills till the morning. What does that mean? Beg your 5 what? Beg your 5 bills till the morning. Beg your 5 bills till the morning. What the hell? Couple seconds left for a closure. when I get enough time, I'm a get into boxing, man. I always wanted to box. Let's start boxing when I get some time. Run a little sparring. Okay, so we close no bottom wick. I like that. On the 5, we close no bottom wick on the 5. Okay. I mean, really, that could be one of two things, right? That could be end of the range, we're gonna start coming up, or that could be or that could be volume is gonna carry us down. Let's see. I tell you what though, you just want to close either below or above. Below, I'm gonna sell. Above, I'm gonna buy. Easy. All right, you really just want either or. It's looking like sales are more probable. Yeah, sales are looking a lot more probable right now, but yeah, if I okay, GJ continued going up, of course. Nice. GJ continues its move up. Yeah, you could get some 30-minute entries on GJ as well, but you would need a pullback. Have we tested that area? Yeah, we never tested this low. Hiya. Hiya. 3 minutes. Can we get an entry in 3 minutes? Entries, get your entries here. My G. I said I got my brothers beside me. Wait, look at it. Yeah, I got my brothers beside me. Yeah, we fuck up the lobby. Yeah. If you're looking for me in the sky, that's where I be. My girl, she ass fat like Nikki. I call her a Barbie. No. Will I ever go broke? That is not likely. I don't rock Adidas. I only wear Nike. To my girl to France. I took her to sightsee. And the size there. Okay. If 12 coming, we're gonna take them on a chase. Interesting. 33. Interessant. Some pullback. That's some pullback. Okay, pay attention here. Pay attention. Let's get active. Here. Let me see. That's a level. Okay, so once this closes, if we have a top wick, if we can get a top wick, I'll sell on the break of the lows. 134, right? Yeah. Damn, no top wick yet. We're not in yet. No top wick yet. We don't have a, I mean, on TradingView there's a top wick, but in my broker there's no top wick quite yet. Okay, so there goes my top wick. I'm gonna have a sell stop 2151.38. 38 sell stop. Yeah, so I have a sell stop at 2151.38. Break even is probably gonna be around here. That's, I think, 12. Yes, about 15 pips. Yeah, around 2150, that would be break even. And yeah, that's my sales. That's my sales. That's my live. That's my sales. Okay, so I like that we're making this top wick. I like that we're testing back into the range here, but I really don't want to see even a 5-minute close inside the range. If a 5-minute close is inside the range, I'll probably close the trade, or the what's it called, the order. But let's see. So what is this? 2151.38 is my oh no, I'm gonna move that up. Actually, I'm gonna move it up a little bit. All right, because that's the 30 flip, right? Yeah, so 2151.78. Yeah, so I have a sell stop right here. So sell stops. Ranging. Okay, yeah, so we currently have sell stops in. We haven't been activated yet. So the premise of this trade, right, is I understand that overall, right, and overall we sort of respected this level, right? Even on the hourly, overall we sort of respected this level, but with the way this 30-minute candle formed here and closed below and now came up, created this top wick, I do think we should see, if we were gonna just reject and go back into the range, the fact that we made the bottom wick first, we're probably just gonna go up, right? And that's why I'm managing this off the 5-minute. That's why I'm managing off the 5-minute. Because if we close back inside the range, then things get a little chippy, right? Things get a little chippy. Yeah, yes. Things get a little chippy. Let's see. Did GJ give us any opportunities? No. 30 closer. Yep, top of the range. Yeah, so GJ is pretty much done for the day. Let's see. Okay, we have 30 seconds to flip. Are we gonna be able to flip? I don't think so. Yeah, that's tough. 15, 30 hourly. Okay, so yeah, I tell you what, right? Okay, so now that this 5 has closed, inside, what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna end stream, but what I'm gonna be looking for here is very simply, I'm gonna look for this candle to continue up and break this 30-minute highs. If we break the highs of the 30-minute and flip, I'll be in the sells off of the flip. But for now, the fact that we broke back into the range after that, or what appeared to be a breakout, yeah, you wanna be wary of that. So yeah, so I'm gonna wait for the 30-minute highs to get taken out. I'm gonna start signing out. If we tap the 30 minutes high while I'm signing out, then I'll stay. But if not, yeah, that's been another session. Today's session was a little what I call it, erratic, because there was a lot of waiting, right? There was a lot of off chart time, just waiting, right? There was a lot of movement, but not a lot in terms of entries, right? But yeah, thank you for showing up, Rooks. I don't know if you did, but thank you for showing up. Appreciate y'all. And of course, we're gonna be back again tomorrow, same time, 7:30 a.m. Eastern. Hey, what's that? Is that 1:30? 1:30 p.m. What? All right. Yes sir, y'all have a good one. And the time is gonna change. I mean, it's still gonna be 7:30 a.m. but now when daylight savings kicks in, I believe it's gonna be 12:30 p.m. What? Right? Yeah, I think so. But yeah, that's it for me. But we are coming up to take out these highs, though. It looks like we're gonna come up to take out those highs again. Once we tap there, I'll have a self stop at the bottom of this previous candle, or of the current candle rather. So yeah, that's it for me. Hope y'all have a good one. Stay profitable, stay safe. Don't forget, use protection in the markets, as a wise man once said. And yeah, man, I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.